Alright, so I'll be using this program to capture my audio, and then I'll edit it later on when this video is made. So we're going to make a profile picture requested by Serenity Pro. We're going to take this image right now of this. We can extract frame. Right, you could use any image from Google, whatever you want, but since I am going to take my own image to prevent copyright issues, I'm going to do that. So this is my website, and I'm going to go to tags tube, and I click on my profile. This is my profile from my perspective. So usually when you go into Video Manager, usually on any YouTube page, you'll go to edit a video, right? Click edit video, and then you could do some audio enhancements and all this other stuff, subtitles and cards. You could also upload your own custom thumbnails, like I already changed the image, like change the image file size. You could choose any of these. I don't know if they have to be a certain amount of dimensions for it to work. If you want to upload your own custom art, which I'll go back. Just click here to add a profile picture. I have to edit it on Google+. I'm going to cancel this. That's how you edit an upload picture. Change channel art. Your channel art has to be max size 4 megabytes, 2560, 1440. Okay, and you could select your photos or my random art. What is my photos? I think I selected this one, this one, this one, this one. I made this using Gimp 2.8. It won't let me resize it, whatever. Okay, so that's basically it. You know what I mean? That's just the standard point. Alright, we're going to say close browser, and now we're going to I like to use a video editing software to make my photos. So you just drop into Windows Movie Maker or Roxio. I don't recommend using Roxio because Roxio is really bad and it's really terrible software. You shouldn't use it at all. It doesn't recognize any of my capture card files. It's horrible. So what I have to do is I have to upload this raw footage to the internet, then I could use Firefox to download it, and then I could use the file. I just had to strategize and use other techniques on how to video edit. So what I want to do is I'm going to use the image I just took with Serenity Pro on it, and I'm going to go to custom text. I'm going to select the same text I used for text top 5. I'm just going to select whatever panel it needs to be. I'm going to say my profile photo. I spelled wrong, yes. Now we just go to 148, this, and we go to that. That's how you make a custom thumbnail, by the way, or profile picture, whatever you want to do. If you want to put writing in front of it, by all means, you could put other stuff in it. I'm going to say extract frame, and then I'm going to do 002 because I messed up already. And there you go. So every video editing software should have this thing: extract image from production, extract your frame, single frame. Now when that's done, you just click X, which you cannot see, hit no. Now we must go back into here. We have two profile pictures, 001 that I messed up, 002. So we're going to delete 001, and 002 is going to be our one, which is a BMP file. We don't need BMP files. And what is it? Megabyte 1.5 megs. That's a little too high. Even though it works, but it won't recognize the file type. So what you need to do is open up Gimp. So uh, what now you need to do is open up Gimp 2.8, and then you need to open it up. What is a Gimp 2.8 file can be found here. Open the file when it decides to open. And then there you go, my profile page. You can go to image scaler, and this is how you scale your images in Gimp. I'm going to make this image a 1200. And then it'll, when you click it again, if you look at the scale, it will resize it to 675. Then press the scale button too many times because it doesn't register. And then you save as 002. Then now it's final render. Now you could render your photo as 002 PNG. This is a PMB. Export. Export as. Final render is done. Now we go back to personal files. This is a PNG file. This is not. This is not. You could say delete. Open up its properties. It's a PNG file. It's only 500 kilobytes now, half a meg. Perfect. It is perfect. This is how I make custom thumbnails. This is how you make custom thumbnails for your videos. You can actually add layers and all that stuff, but we're not going to get into that because my computer can't handle layering for some reason. Alright, here's tags top 5. This is how I made this image. It has 5 layers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the text. This is how you make custom thumbnails and profile pictures and backgrounds for your YouTube backgrounds. All works the same way. It's all the same. And I already showed you how to, in the beginning of the video, how to upload it and everything like that. So there you go. That's how you make profile pictures. That's my profile photo. That's an example. And hopefully this video was useful to you guys, and hopefully you guys know how to upload videos. I made this sincerely for Serenity Pro and Shadowwolf Pro because they want to achieve their dream to make YouTube videos, and I encourage them to. And this is my helping your dream video on YouTube. So it's really easy. I know it's a little complicated, but we're coming close to the future. Stuff is going to be a lot more organized and everything like that. So it's going to be a lot easier. And this is Saying the Legend, and this is the Master 9000, and see you next time on a next video tutorial. I think the next tutorial I'm going to work on is a new website. How do I get around tag gaming? So, peace.